I will cook.
You want to cook?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, gotta cook this.
Oh.
Gotta wait for that to get hot. Yeah, no. You gotta cut it.
No, I'll try it.
Okay, I'll help you.
Yeah, I'll help you.
Okay, let me turn on. Like this. This. Hold on, do this thing. Look. Look. Boom. Then, hold on. Gotta cook them all first. Hold on. Put that down. No. It goes in that one. Hold on. Okay.
Again.
Put it in there.
Okay.
Put it in there. Put the rest in there. Okay. There.
Done.
Those are done. There. Gotta do noodles. Put the noodles in the water. Hold on. Don't crush them. Crush the noodles. You gotta open them first. Look.
Mommy.
Put them in the water. Put the noodles in the water. Got it? Put it in the water. Put the rest of them in there. Good job. Now, gotta let it cook, okay? So you gotta wait till it cook, okay? Okay. Once it's done.
I will help.
Okay, I help. There. Gotta let it simmer, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
And freeze.
Well, okay. Well, let's still cook it first. It's almost done. Okay, you gotta let it cook first. Who you hollering at? Okay. You gotta put the sauce in there. What you got? Show the camera what you got. Let me show 'em. Say Cajun seasoning. Say Cajun seasoning. Yeah. Say beef.
Beef.
Noodles.
Noodles.
What's this?
Juice.
No, Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid. You ready to season your noodles?
Yeah.
Let me see what you got. Let me see. What's that?
Juice.
Cajun. Say Cajun seasoning.
Cheese.
And what's in your other hand?
Noodles.
No, what's right here?
Juice. Noodles.
Noodle sauce?
Yeah, noodle sauce.
Okay.
Sandy.
Are you cooking?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll help you.
Okay, now mommy do this part. It's too hot.
Oh,
It's too hot. I like to put the sauce in there. You is helping me. I'm gonna put the sauce in there.
No.
What?
Look.
What?
See?
What is that?
Noodles.
Noodles.
Another one there.
Yeah, it's hot.
Another one there.
Yeah, cook your noodles.
A fish is better.
Oh no, it's not done yet. We're not gonna season it yet. It's not done yet.
A cheating.
Okay, just kidding.
Oh, the first one, no. The first one, no.
Right.
The first one, no. The first one, no. What's this one? No. What's this one? No.
Mm-hmm.
This one, no. This one, no. This one, yeah. This one. Maybe our first one.
Okay.
Oh, buses.
Okay, look. They done now. Wait. Don't touch, okay?
Okay.
It's hot.
Hot.
Yep. Come on. Wait.
No.
We're going to drain it first. Let's drain it real quick.
This is better.
Okay, now look.
Yay.
Now just sprinkle a little bit. Not a lot.
Huh?
Just sprinkle a little bit. Look, let me help.
No, I'll help.
Okay. Look.
Huh?
Put it in here. You sprinkling everywhere but where it needs to be. Okay, look. What are you doing? Look, no.
Huh?
You're not doing it right. With this hand, just dump a little bit, like this. There. Okay. Wait.
I said too.
Wait. Then you gotta put this in there.
No.
Here, put it in. Hold on. Hold on. Let me open it first.
Oh, first.
Okay. Let's dip it all in there. Hold on. Don't miss the bowl now. Hold on. Don't touch. Don't touch. I said don't touch. There. Hold on. Is that it? Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, look. Stir the spoon. Hold on. It's really hot, so be careful. There.
Done.
All done. You don't throw the sausage in there?
No.
Hold on. You don't want to put this in there?
No.
Put this in there?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Pick one and put them in there.
Okay. No.
Dump them. Dump the sausage in there. Look. Dump. There. Gonna stir?
Yeah.
Okay.
That one will help you.
Okay. Go. Stir.
No. Oh, no.
Yep.
It's hot.
I know it's hot. I'll put some on your plate. Look. There. Ready to go eat?
Yeah.
Okay, let me help you. Yeah, you gotta blow it off.